Hey there! Ever wondered who's behind all the smart decisions in a company? Is it the data analyst or the business analyst? Both are key players, but they do very different things. Today, we're going to break down what makes these two roles stand out, the skills they use, and how they help businesses make smart choices every day. Let's jump right in. Alright, let's talk about what each role actually does. First up, a data analyst is like the go-to person for all things data. They take raw numbers, clean them up, and use them to find patterns or trends. Think of them as the people who answer questions like, why are our sales dropping in June every year? They're all about diving into the data to find answers and then presenting those answers in ways that everyone can understand, like dashboards or reports. On the other side, a business analyst focuses more on solving business problems. They're the bridge between the business and the technical teams. For example, if a company wants to cut costs in operations, a business analyst will gather information, meet with stakeholders, and figure out how to solve that problem by using data. They don't dive as deep into the technical side of data like data analysts do, but they know how to use the data to push a business forward. Now, let's talk skills. A data analyst needs to be a data whiz. We're talking about knowing tools like SQL, Python, Excel, and Tableau. Basically anything that helps them work with large datasets and create visualizations. They also need to understand stats and be comfortable working with numbers all day long. Meanwhile, a business analyst needs a mix of skills. Sure, they might use Excel or even SQL sometimes, but their real superpower is communication. They need to understand the business side, what's the problem, and what's the goal, and then work with both data and people to make things happen. Presentation skills are huge here because they're often explaining the why behind decisions. Tools of the trade? Data analysts are heavy into the technical stuff. They spend their days using tools like Python for programming, Power BI or Tableau for creating reports, and SQL for pulling out data from databases. For example, a data analyst at an online store might use SQL to figure out how many customers clicked on an ad, then use Tableau to visualize how that ad impacted sales. Business analysts, on the other hand, use more business-focused tools. Excel is their bread and butter. They also rely on PowerPoint to present their findings, and tools like Microsoft Access to handle data without going too deep into coding. They might not be coding every day, but they need enough tech knowledge to understand what's possible and work with the data teams. So what's the goal of each role? For a data analyst, it's all about accuracy and insights. They want to make sure the data is clean, the analysis is spot on, and the findings are clear. Think of a data analyst working at a health organization, crunching patient data to help predict illness trends. The accuracy of their work could be life-saving. For a business analyst, the goal is strategy and action. They take data and use it to solve big business problems. A business analyst at a tech company might be tasked with figuring out how to improve customer service. They'll talk to teams, dig into customer feedback, and come up with a plan that improves the entire customer journey. Now, how do these analysts work with others? A data analyst usually sticks to the data side of things. They collaborate with data engineers, IT teams, and sometimes data scientists to pull the data together and analyze it. A business analyst, on the other hand, works with almost everyone. They'll be chatting with managers, stakeholders, and data teams to make sure the project is on track and the solutions fit the business's needs. They're the ones who bring different departments together to solve problems. Let's talk about something everyone's curious about: salary. Data analysts typically start with a salary ranging from $70,000 for mid-level roles, with experienced professionals earning up to $90,000 to $95,000 or more. For business analysts, the salary is also competitive. Mid-level roles earn between $65,000 and $100,000, with senior roles reaching $120,000 or more as they gain experience and move into higher management positions. Alright, so there you have it. Whether you're all about the technical deep dive like a data analyst, or you love solving business problems and strategizing like a business analyst, both roles offer incredible opportunities to grow, impact businesses, and even branch into fields like data science or consulting. If you're ready to take the next step, check out the Knowledge Academy's courses. We've got programs that'll help you upskill in both data analytics and business analysis. Hit that like button, subscribe, and click the bell so you don't miss out on more videos like this. See you in the next one.